my dear lovely kids. How are you all? Must be fine at home and doing these stories nicely. Students, as we are doing our Unit 3, Block 5, Neighborhood and School, we have already discussed some of the important neighborhood places. Now students, in this video, we are again going to describe different places in the neighborhood and recognize the role of the different people in a neighborhood from our content book. And we will solve the volume sheet number 1 and 2 together. Okay students, firstly, let's revise what is neighborhood. A neighborhood is an area around the place where we live. The people who live around our home are a part of our neighborhood. Yes, all the people who live around us are our neighbors. Okay, students, you must also have so many neighbors around you. We have so many different places in our neighborhood, such as hospital, grocery shops, police station, post office. Some of the areas also have these schools in their neighborhood, and some people that we have in our neighborhood, teachers, policemen, doctor, they all are our neighbors. Okay, now students, let's read this topic from our content book, which is given on page number 34. See, neighborhood and school. Students, about the school we will learn in our next video. Right now we are learning about the neighborhood. See, neighborhood is a place where many families live in the same area in different houses. People are a part of our neighborhood, help us in different ways. Most neighborhoods these days have places such as schools, bank or a post office. Now let's find out more about such places. See on your screens, so many places are given here. Yes, can you name them with me? Okay, so first one is, see, we have school, we have post office, bank, park, tailor's shop. We have here hospital also. So these are the different places that we have in our neighborhood. Now let's move on the next page, page number 35. Now it is given how these places help us. Students, we know that how hospital help us. When we fall sick, we can go to the hospital so that we can get well. Police station, see, most neighborhoods have a police station to keep us safe. Third is bank. Students, we can keep our money safe in a bank. We can take out money whenever we want or whenever we need. Post office, we get and send our letters, parcels to different places and people through the post office. Market, it is also very important because we can buy our daily needs from the places in a market. Shops that we can have in a market are chemists, from where we can buy the medicines, stationery shops, ration shops. So these are very important shops that we need on daily basis. Now the next is park. Parks are places for people to play, sit, walk and exercise. Students, many parks have these swings and slides for children, but some of them don't have. But park is also very important as it should be in our neighborhood. Okay students, so there are many other different kinds of places also in our neighborhood. These includes such as temples, hotels, restaurants, vegetable shops, railway lines, cinema halls, milk booth, petrol pumps. Students, these places help make our life easier and comfortable by providing us with things we need. Students, this was about the places that we have in our neighborhood. Now let's learn about the people. Now we will learn about some important people in our neighborhood. Now look on your screen and tell me what are the important people. See, they are policeman, shopkeeper, gardener, school principal, teachers. They help us in different ways. Yes, students. Now let's learn about them from next page. Page number 36. Students, there are many people in our neighborhood. They help us in many ways. For example, doctor take care of us when we fall sick. Police, they keep us safe. Teacher, help us to learn new things. Postman, he delivers the letters from one place to another. Vegetable seller, he sells the vegetables in the market. Milkman, it delivers the milk to the different places and people. Cleaner, he is also very important because he keeps the surrounding clean by sweeping and collecting the garbage. Cobbler, it repairs and makes shoes. Barber, he cuts the hair. Gardener, he takes care of the plants. These are the most important person of our neighborhood. Now students, I have a question for you. Think about it. Why do people do different things in a neighborhood? What if they all did the same? See, why people do different works? Why don't they do only one work? Think about it. Students, every person living or working in a neighborhood has a role and responsibility. Different people do different things because everyone may not be able to do the same thing. Okay? For example, a teacher can teach students, but she don't know how to treat a person if he or she will fall sick. Yes? And a doctor may treat a person, but he don't know how to teach her students. Same like that, doctor and teacher, they know their work, but none of them know how to make a furniture or how to fix the electric wires or cut the hairs or take care of the plant. So for that, we would need an electrician for fixing the wires, barber for cut the hairs, and gardener for taking care of the plants. Yes, so for different tasks we need different people. That's why all the people do different works. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Now it is time to understand our sheet number 2 and 3. So let's understand both the sheets one by one. Firstly, sheet number 2, places in the neighborhood. So the first question they are asking, fill in the blanks. Students, we have to fill the blanks. The first is, I will go to the dash if I hurt my foot. Students, where will you go if by mistakenly you hurt your foot? Yes, hospital. And where will you go when you have to post a letter? Yes, post office. Where will you go when you have to do study? Yes, of course, school. And where will you go when you have to buy the fruits? Yes, we will go to a market. Okay. So this is the question number first, which is very easy. Now question number 2. Name some other places that exist in your neighborhood. How do they help us? See, the second question they are asking, we have to write important places and we have to write how these places help us. Yes, so here I have written some of the places. Let's look at them. Number 1 is police station. It keeps us safe. Second is bank. We can keep our money safe in a bank. We can take money whenever we need it. Market. We can buy many things for our daily needs such as medicines, pencils, notebooks and ration also. Next is hospital. When people fall sick, they can go to the hospital so they can get well. And the last is park. Park is a place for people to play, sit, walk and exercise. They can do these activities there. Students, if you want to write some other places, you can write that also. Here I have taken some examples only. Okay, now let's move towards the next question. Between a park and a police station, which is more important for a neighborhood and why? Students, as we know, park and police station both are important for us. Yes, but if we have to compare in between both of them, then which is more important? Yes, police station is more important than park, because in park people do exercise, they play there and have fun there. If we don't have park, then we can do these things at our home also. Yes, but police station is more important, because if there will be no police station, then robbers can harm us. Yes, students. So police station is more important than park. Now it is time to do sheet number 3. People in the neighborhood. Now students, in this question, the images of some people has given. Now we have to tell who are they, how do they help us, yes, and what will happen if they were not there. Okay, so let's start from the first image. First is of teacher. How teacher help us in learning. What will happen if teacher will not be there? Then we will have to learn by our own. Okay, nobody will be there to teach you. Second, watchman. How watchman help us? Keeps us safe from robbers. Yes, and what will happen if there will be no watchman? Then robbers can harm us. Okay, third is milkman. What he do? He delivers milk. What will happen if there will be no milkman? Then there will be no one to deliver milk to our homes. Okay, students. Fourth is sweeper. What he do? He keeps the road clean. And what will happen if there will be no sweeper? Then our roads will be dirty and unclean, because there will be no one to clean them. Okay, students, is it easy? Yes, it is very easy if you listen each and every point carefully. So students, this is all about neighborhood. Now your homework is you have to read this block number 4, and complete your volume sheet number 2 and 3. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. But don't forget to complete your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.